Welcome back. We'll learn about the loops. We'll begin with the definition for the loops. So in general, the first statement written and the code is executed, which is followed by the next one. There are cases where we need to execute some series of statements repeatedly. Here comes the concept called as looping. A loop statement executes a group of statements multiple times without any code repetition until a condition is met. There are two types of loops. One is entry control loop. In this case, the test condition is checked before entering into the main body of the loop. And for and while are the examples for this type of loops. And there are other type of loop called exit control loop. The test condition is evaluated at the end of the body, and the statements are executed at least once, irrespective of the condition. And do while loop is the example for the exit control loop. These are all the loops available: for, while, do while. We learn about the continue statement. So the continue statement is used to skip a particular part of a condition, and the condition is retested and it executes for the remaining conditions. So this is the syntax for the continue statement: continue, semicolon. So we learn about the for loop. The code is repeated n specified number of times. So in this case, a loop variable or an iteration variable, it controls the loop. The variable is initialized first, then the condition is checked, and if the condition is true, the statements are executed. If the condition is false, then the statements after the body is executed. So once the statements are executed for true condition, after that it goes for the updation part. The loop variable is updated. It's either incremented or decremented according to the need. Okay, now we'll learn about the for loop. We are going to write a program to display n numbers. Okay, the value for n is obtained from the user. Hash include stdio.h void main. Going to use two variables. One is the iteration variable I. The other one is n, which is going to be obtained from the user. So I'm going to do percentage b, and n. Okay. For I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Then to print the value for, we need to print the value I. Okay, I am going to use /n for good reason readability. Okay. That is the code. I'm saving it. For loop, resource type, save. Now, acc for loop dot c for. Yes. So we need to execute. Yes. I'm typing the value 8. I have obtained the output using the formula. Okay. Okay. That's all for this video. And in the next video, we'll learn about the while and do while loops. Thank you.